process of replacing the mid mount. Okay, connects to the frame itself and up top. So I'm gonna replacing it because it's broken. I'm gonna replacing it with this next one, this aftermarket one. Okay, so basically what it is just the one bolt here. It's under, that's a 17, and then these two that are right there, 1 and 2, those are 14 millimeter. So right now we're going to be using 14 millimeter to take out the 2 bolts with the impact ratchet and some extensions. If this doesn't work with the impact, then we'll just do it by hand. You guys can do it by hand, but you're going to need extensions because, you know, it's pretty far back there and you want to be able to bypass all this other stuff. So now we're just going to take it out and go from there. I'm going to loosen the 2 bolts to take out and then show you how to access the bottom one in a second. Okay. Okay, so right now both of the bolts on the bottom are broken loose, the 2 14s. So those are loosened already.
I think I could just do it with the hand, right? No, not yet.
Unscrew them as far as you can and then take it out the rest by hand.
Okay.
So I'm going to take out these 2 bolts. Me and Joe's going to take out the 2 bolts and then catch back the video for you guys. Alright, so now I have the 2 bolts out. This is 1 and 2. Those 2 bolts have come out. So now I'm going to be working on getting out this one, the 17. Show you guys how to access that 17 millimeter. Alright.
It doesn't want to.
So this is how you access the bottom bolt. You use a breaker bar with a couple extensions to get up under there to unscrew it from behind the sway bar. And then loosen the bolt to 17 millimeter.
Oh.
So I'm not going to bore you guys with this, and then I'll just show you guys once it's out. Okay, now it's coming out. The bottom bolt after it was loosened. And that was it, just 3 bolts, and the mid mount should come right out. Here we go. This is the old mid mount. See, it's split. So it's no good. So you're gonna take the bolt out and the washer. Okay.
The washer's still good?
Yeah. And then you match up both of them to make sure that they're the same. As you can see, they are the same. Okay, now this hook piece goes up top here into that little groove up there. It goes into that groove, and that's it. No, it's good. You don't need to clean it. So you just get the new one. You put it in the exact same order that you put the last one.
This one?
No.
Oh.
It goes on the bottom. It's the washer here. Okay. And the bolt. And then you just put the new washer in the bolt and then tighten it down. That's it. But it's not that way.
This way.
It's the other way.
Yeah.
Goes like this. And the one bolts up. And then we'll go from there. Alright, as soon as we secure this in place, then I'll catch back the video for you guys. Just put the 2 screws in to secure it. Try to get the top one in if you can, and then secure the bottom ones. So right now, 17 millimeter, tightened it up, and then once this one is secure up top here, it'll lock this in place, and then you can put in the 2 other screws here, the 2 14s, and just screw those down, and that's it. You're done. You replace the mid mount. All right. So what I'm gonna do is screw these in and catch back the video for you guys and show you guys the final result after it's done.
Okay, no, okay. No more.
Okay, check the top one again.
Yeah.
That one, to make sure it's tight. All right, that one's tight. Bottom one's tight. Top one's tight already, I checked it. And that's it. Replace the mid-mount. Simple and easy. 3 bolts. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.